Committee for Tua, Ulevana, Otio Tupe, if I feel I had to write on Topaia. So my, I feel my, Taraka my Lord is for Maria, my Lord is Tarapani.
The finance sector annual review is more than a meeting. It is a commitment to work together with transparency, trust, and purpose. When we work together with transparency and purpose, there is no challenge we cannot overcome. With that, I declare the Finance Sector Annual Review 2025 officially open. So for my own year.
I noted in the session today that there will be a commitment by the government to review the social protection mechanism to integrate other elements like the child support. This is of paramount because this means that we will have more opportunities to contribute to the advancements of social protection for persons with disabilities.
Two practical ways MCO can engage with the Samoan diaspora. One, we can look at skills transfers and short-term return programs. That is, we can invite our diaspora and the different professionals for short-term placements to provide business advisory services and mentorship in the various industries that we need to develop. This can be done either virtually or in person. In this way, our business community will get to gain experience from our Samoan diaspora professionals on how to manage and run their own businesses. We used to host NZ Samoa trade and investment seminars where the business community in New Zealand and the Samoan government and our own private sector would share on trade and investment related matters. Personally, I feel we should look at resuming this work. However, we will need budget support to make it a reality.
Thank you very much for the chance to provide some feedback, and thank you to the Ministry and the Finance sector for what was really a fantastic day full of policy insights and really useful dialogue. You could tell that it was going to be a successful day because it was so well attended. My reflections on the day are that it was very well structured. I deeply appreciated that there was a strong evidence base at the start of the day laid out through the presentation from the Samoa Bureau of Statistics. It was very rich in terms of a holistic discussion of economic issues, covering, for example, correspondent banking risks and the intersection of those with remittances. It was clear from the evidence presented through the day how important those are for Samoa. And I really liked as well the presentation on Samoa's progress against its own priorities, and I want to commend the Ministry of Finance's leadership in just having a clear framework for what it's seeking to achieve over the year and then judging itself against that. Honestly, it was good to see the areas of success and the areas that need more work. So we were really pleased to be a part of it and want to congratulate everyone on a good day.
Correspondent banking relationship, or CBR, is not a new concept. It's an important part of our business because CBR connects financial institutions like Samoa Commercial Bank to the global financial payment system. Banks use CBR to settle cross-border payments. It's important to remittance flows that are vital to incomes, people's livelihoods, and our economy. De-risking or loss of CBR poses significant economic challenges, impacting trade, remittances, and financial inclusion. We are strengthening our anti-money laundering, CFT, and KYC frameworks to address compliance concerns, but more is needed to be done. Therefore, collaboration, support from our government, regulators, bilateral and multilateral partners will be important.
Digital technology expands access by removing the physical and cost barriers that has limited our Samoan people, especially those in the rural areas, from fully participating in our financial system. It enables financial services to reach people where they are without them having to travel some distance to receive the financial service that they need. An example would be the mobile money product. It enables Samoan people or the customers to make and receive payments from just using their mobile phones. Another example would be the instant funds transfer components of the Samoa automated transfer system by the central bank, which enables you, no matter which bank you bank with, it enables you to transact a maximum of 1,000 tala 24/7 with another person holding a bank account with a different bank. So it really enables the interoperability sphere of the financial services, digital financial services product.
Our perspective from the private sector and wanting to highlight some of our neighbors that are doing quite well or flourishing in the private sector and the economy. So we wanted to highlight those specific initiatives that our neighbors that are using to expand their economy and expand the private sector. So for example, the incubation initiative in Fiji that helps small businesses scale their operations. And then there's also direct investment from the government of Fiji through a corporation into private businesses that are identified that will has a multiplier effect on the economy. That expands more opportunities for other private sectors. When we did raise a lot of issues that we see that is hindering some of the development or the scale operations of our businesses, and I was very specific and listing things that were implemented with the best intention, but wasn't done in a way that is effective. It actually hindered the private sector with the compliance and how they wanted to apply the compliance. So those things we need to put a mirror up to the government and ensure that other initiatives, the private sector is in the design phase of the implementation, not just the consultation after the discussion has been done and the policy has been set.